Now differentiation. So for differentiation, if we are having function y is equal to f of x, right? So y is equal to is, for example, formula we have y is equal to 2x square plus 4x plus 7, right? When x is equal to 1, so we have to put 1 in this formula of y, right? So that will be 13. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 13. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 23, right? Now see, if there is small increment in x value, so there will be small increment in y as well, because both are correlated. So y plus delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x, like that, right? So if delta y we subject, then f of x plus delta x minus f of x, because see, f of x is equal to y, right? So that's why here it is written minus f of x. Now ratio of this change delta y upon delta x, see now, so that is delta y upon delta x, similar this one upon delta x. So delta y upon delta x is called average rate of change of y with respect to x, right? So see, now if we are putting limit on this formula, if delta x tends to 0, so delta x will be as small as possible. So dy by dx is equal to limit delta x tends to 0, so f of x plus delta x minus f of x upon delta x, right? So that is the new formula, and it is called differential formula of y with respect to x. So theorem of differentiation, y is equal to c is constant, so constant differentiation will be 0. If y is equal to x raised to n and is an integer and x is variable, so dy here, dy upon dx is equal to power ahead power minus 1, so n into x raised to n minus 1. So that is the simple differentiation. Now if we are having y is equal to c into u, c is constant here, right? And u is the function of x, so dy by dx is equal to c constant, take it as it is, so du by dx, because u is variable with respect to x. So y is equal to u plus or minus v plus or minus omega, right? So dy by dx is equal to du by dx, because it is u, plus or minus dv by dx plus or minus d omega by dx. So differential equation is like we can multiply with all the steps, so d by dx of every step individually. Now y is equal to u into v, and u and v both are now function of x. So this is also, we can call it as a multiplication rule for differential equation here. Dy by dx is equal to first term u as it is, second term differentiation with respect to x, plus du by dx, right? So first term as it is, second term differentiation, plus second term as it is, means v as it is, first term differentiation. So here v is not written, so it is printing mistake. So actual formula is u dv by dx plus du by dx into v here. So that is the actual formula, and it is called multiplication rule for differential equation. Now differentiation for division, so dy by dx, that formula is u dv by dx, right? Denominator as it is, numerator differentiation, minus numerator as it is, means v as it is, denominator differentiation upon denominator square. So that is division rule for differential equation. And then simple, y is equal to u raised to n, u is the function of x, then dy by dx is equal to power ahead power minus 1, and differential without any power, differential equation without any power. So these are the some solutions of differential equation, right? Now we can find for this one, see first derivative of the function with respect to x. So for first, 4 is constant, so I am writing here 4 is constant, power ahead power minus 1, so 3x square, plus 7 constant as it is, power ahead power minus 1, plus 6x differentiation, dx by dx will be 1, right? So as it is, plus 9. So this formula now it becomes 4 into 3 12x square, plus 7 into 2 14x, plus 6 plus 9, so that is 15. So our differential equation solution is this one, right? Now second equation we have x raised to 5 upon 2, so 1 by 2 as it is, 5x4, right, minus 5 as it is. Now see, x square if we write here, then it will be x raised to minus 2, right? So here power ahead power minus 1, so that will be 3 minus 3. So now that solution is 5 by 2 x raised to 4 minus minus plus, right, 5 into 10 5 into 2 10, 10 upon x cube. So this is the solution of this second equation, right? Now moving on to this third equation, 1 upon x raised to root x. So we can write x raised to minus 1 by 2. So differential equation power ahead power minus 1, so that will be minus 3 by 2, right? So that is the solution of this equation. And now fourth one, and that is x plus 4, I can write raised to minus 1, power ahead power minus 1, so that is minus 2. And now we have to go inside, so dx by dx, so multiply, dx by dx is 1, so solution of this is minus 1 upon x plus 4 raised to 2. So that is the solution of fourth equation, right? Now differential coefficient of trigonometric function. So first is d by dx of sin x, that is cos x, simple. Function will be changed because of differentiation. Similar d by dx of sin u, but now here it is not x, so function will be changed and we have to again differentiate that u. So cos u into du by dx, right? Now here d by dx of cos x, that will be minus sin x. Function is changed but with opposite sign. Here d by dx of cos u, so minus sin u into that function differentiation with respect to x. D by dx of tan, that is sec square x. D by dx of tan u, so that will be sec square u into that differential equation with respect to x. Then cot theta differential equation, that is minus cos x square theta. Similar we can write also d by dx of cot u, right? So that will be minus cos x square cos x square u into du by dx, right? Here similar, sec x is equal to differential of sec x is equal to sec x into tan x. Similar we can write also for that in the form of u, and differential equation of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. So you have to remember all this left hand side formula, these formulas, right? So you will also find these formulas, this additional formulas, right? Now time for exercise. So first of all, d by dx of sin 2x. So d by dx of sin 2x, first function will be changed, cos 2x, and now we have to differentiate this one. So into d of 2x upon dx. So is equal to cos 2x into 2 constant dx by dx 1. So that is 2 cos 2x. 2 cos 2x. So that is the solution for first equation. Now time for second. X sin x, right? So see here, multiplication rule we have to apply. So differentiation of x sin x, right? First term as it is, second term differentiation sin x differentiation cos x, plus second term sin x as it is, first term differentiation dx by dx will be 1. So that is x cos x plus sin x. So this is the solution of second equation. Now differential coefficient of logarithmic and exponential functions. So d by dx of log x, so that is 1 by x log e base e. So only 1 by x will be there. So remember, d by dx of log x is equal to 1 upon x. Then d by dx of e raised to u, so e raised to u into du by dx, right? Whatever the power, we have to again differentiate with respect to x. Now here second equation. So d by dx of log u base e, so 1 by u, that is differential equation of log x, log u, and du by dx. Then fourth one, d by dx of e raised to x log e base e, so that will be 1. Answer of log e base e is 1, so e raised to x remains. And fifth, d by dx of e raised to u as it is, and du by dx, right? So now exercise, log d by dx of log x base e square. So for this, power ahead, power minus 1, so 1, and without that power, differentiation of that, so that is written here 1 upon x, so into 1 upon x, simple. So here answer is 2 log x base e upon x. So that is the solution of the first equation. Now second, here log ax plus b, so d by dx of log ax plus b. So simple, log x 1 upon x, so I can write 1 upon ax plus b, but still we have to differentiate this one. So into first ax differentiation, a is constant, dx by dx 1, so it is cancelled, plus here it is 0 because b is constant differentiation is 0. So answer is a upon ax plus b. So that's the solution of this one. So that is the differential equations of all the terms.